Good morning, it's about 6:30. I'm about to start trying to write the rest of my essay that's due in at 2, but I have a lecture at 10 before that, which is for 2 hours, so that's why I need to get up so early to get as much of it done before my lecture as possible, because it takes me half an hour to walk in from here, because I live out this year. I'm tutoring this afternoon, I'm going to go to the gym, and then I've got 21st. But I'm not going to film the 21st, I'm just going to enjoy it. I have, however, got some footage to show you. I went to a launch event at Victor's in Westgate, which is the new shopping centre in Oxford. It was a press launch, and I went with That Oxford Girl, which is essentially, it's a brand, but it's run by one person called Tilly, and she uses student ambassadors to write like blog posts for her, and I write for her, so that's why we went along. And it was really fun, and I thought you should see it. So I'm going to replace the 21st footage with that, if that makes sense. Right in the back. So I'm just frying some mushrooms and onion. Just frying some mushrooms and onion, and I'll put some garlic in. I'm going to have it with some Linda McCartney sausages. So I've just put 4 in because I'm going to save 2 for my lunch. I have 2 now, they're just on the grill. And this is frying away. God, I just breathed in garlic. So I've just added some soy sauce because it's delicious, and I need to get some more, but I just have like Tesco basics. This is my finished breakfast. I'm not sure what happened here, I frazzled it, but yeah. Writing an essay on secularism and whether secular states have ever been tolerant or fair. So it's quite interesting. But I've only got an hour and a half before I need to set off my lecture, so I need to crack on. So right, there we go. So far I have this much. It is, yeah, nearly 1,000 words. And it's going quite well. My intro is far too long, but I'm past caring, to be honest. Yeah, I need to go and get dressed because I have to leave in half an hour. So I'm wearing this new skirt. I actually really like it. It's from H&M. It was like £15. I just made the most mediocre kind of fake BLT that I could in 5 minutes, and now I'm late, so I need to go. But yeah, I've got Linda McCartney sausages, tomato, lettuce, and some salad cream. Yeah, it's actually polling day. So I'm gonna go vote. Don't know who for yet. We'll see. Well, that's a lie. No, I know exactly who I'm voting for. The issue is I'm not entirely sure if I'm written down on the register, so we'll see about that. I wasn't sure if I had to re-register now that I'm in a house, because I'm registered to college and at home. So I've got a polling card at home in Manchester, but not here. So I don't actually know like which station to go to, or whether they'll actually let me do it. But if I take ID, we'll see. Had my lectures. They were great. Now I'm gonna eat lunch. I'm in the JCR, so I don't really want to film in case someone comes in, because I'm literally the only person here, and that's weird. That's my amazing sandwich. It's so shit, but yum. I ate the other one in my lecture, so woo! Hello, I'm gonna shut my door. I know literally most of the day has been like a montage, but essentially after my lectures I got some more essay done, and then I went and did some tutoring, and then ended up staying in the jam factory, which is like near Oxford Station, until like 6:15 to try and finish my essay. My essay is finished. It did go on a bit longer than I wanted it to, and I feel like I didn't actually cover everything in those words, so like I could have written more, but they just won't mark it if it's too long, so I didn't bother. But anyway, now it's too late to go to the gym, and to be quite honest, I'm far too tired anyway. And I'm hungry. I need to eat some vegetables. So I've decided to make stir fry, but not stir fry, pad thai, because that's what I'm feeling. But I'm gonna make it from a packet. Like, I'm not gonna make that from scratch. But yeah, I have a packet, thankfully. Got some peppers, and I put a bit of olive oil in there. And I'm gonna cut up this aubergine. I decided to make this because I had the ingredients for it. I'm actually beginning to think this is not enough vegetables for 2 servings, because like I'm hungry and I eat a lot of vegetables. I don't know, there's quite a lot of vegetables in there. No, fuck it, I'm getting more. All of it's going in, all of it. Oh no, you can't help. Oh, okay. I'm going to use 2 hands. I actually read the instructions and apparently I've done it wrong. You meant to fry the sauce first. So, I'm going to do that in another pan and just hope for the best, to be honest.
Yes. Hey Hamish, what have you been up to this afternoon?
Shopping.
Yeah? What did you do before that? Did you? How was that? Was it like getting in from a long day? Have a nice sit down.
Something big.
What is that?
Sorry?
Nice uncooked garlic rub. Tomato and ketchup and pasta.
I think it looks better on the camera than it does in real life, actually.
That's good, to be fair.
That curry was good, but I just found some Oreo thins in my cupboard, so gonna eat those. I'm gonna go try a boat,
I tried voting this morning, but I wasn't registered to that polling station. I don't really know if I'm going to be registered to this one, but I did get a letter through the post from the Greens that was addressed to me, so I'm assuming that I'm registered at this address, in which case I will be at this polling station. Fingers crossed. If not, I'll have to phone up. Yeah, that was the right one, so I was just at the wrong place. Got my vote in. Feeling good. I've done a lot today. Proud of myself. Right. Need a shower. Feel gross. Hair's gross. Ugh. Let's get ready for this party. I'm quite possibly the lamest person ever. So, I'm just sat on my floor. Drinking a Pepsi Max because I'm a bit tired, but I really want to make it to this 21st, so I'm going to get caffeinated and then dressed. I literally have not got enough effort in me to film myself getting ready. I don't think you really want to see that anyway, to be honest. So I will just put the footage from the Victor's event here, because that's more interesting, I think. And yeah, end the vlog there. So I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys. Remember to like and subscribe.